Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So I will walk you through printing Canva booklet step by step and download setting, PDF type and printer setup you can try at home. Okay, so let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. You can see this is my booklet. Okay, so just open your booklet like this and go to the share, go to the download and download as a printable pdf print. Okay, and make sure crop marks and blend. Okay, it is like include crop marks and blend if you are trimming this design after printing. Okay, just enable it. Okay, and if you have note on your booklet then you can include the node also. Okay, and now here you need to select all pages. It will be by default selected, but you can make sure it is select all. And if you want some page okay, some particular pages print, then you can deselect all and select that pages which you want to make print. Okay, so now just select all, go to the done, and best for digital use. Okay, so here you can see there is a two option color profile, you can use any one. Now go to the download, just select download. Now it will be start download. Okay, let it download first, it will be take few seconds. Okay, it has downloaded. Now just it will be open by default on your PDF file. Okay, so it is your booklet, you can see. Now we need to go in print. Here you need to select your printer. If you regularly print your document, it will be by default selected. Now here we have 15 pages, so it is by default selected all pages. Size keep as it is, and now we can print it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.